In a preheated frying pan, add a tablespoon of oil, then sauté thinly sliced ginger. Add sliced white onions. Add beef bouillon. A pinch of salt. Half a cup of water. Bring to a boil, no need to cover. Now, add the beef slices. Add 3 eggs. Pre-beat the eggs before adding. Cover and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Give it a quick stir. It should be done in a minute. I like the egg a bit runny. This is done for me. It's ready. Perfect match with steamed rice. Steamed rice. Add the beef slices.
That's not mine, huh? I ain't eating that. That's all I'm eating. What's my ketchup? Give me my ketchup.
I have chickens too.